Let us try this simple party gele, and it is mainly for beginners. If you are not a beginner, maybe this is not for you. This is a 3-layer joint ashoke material which I'm using for today's tutorial. So I'll be pleating down a bit like that using elastic band to grab it, then dipping it in like this. Can you see that process? Now you're going to put it on your head just like you're wearing a cap. So put it gently like this, then stretch it sideways so it will cover up your head. Because this is a 3 layers joint material, stretch it, it must cover your head like this. Then push like an inch in both sides, make it well laid, and you're coming to the front to grab all the excess. Now I'll always have my band. As a beginner, this is one of the tools you need to tie your simple gele or any style of head wrap. Mostly I use band and I use office pin in my tutorials, so get it available. Now after I use my band to secure it at the front, I can remove my hand and work with the excess. So I'll continue with the pleat. Grab it. It's not a neat pleat, just a rough pleat. So you're going to gather it bit by bit so that it will be easy, because we are beginners. Okay, so you begin to pick it up bit by bit, and as you pick it, you place it on the previous lid, then you continue taking it round your head. So we are going one time, we're going from the front, then we take it bit by bit till we reach the front back. Now I'm at the second side. I'll continue to make the pleat gradually, then till I reach the front again. So here we are at the front again, and we're going to just fold in and pull the excess out from the previous band we used like this. So we have the excess to look like this. Just stretch it out gently, and the next thing you're going to do is begin to pleat down like this. Pleat everything down. Take your time to pick it roughly, pick it down. Don't say because I say roughly, you just pick it anyhow. Still make sure it is neat to some extent, okay, but not necessarily that perfect pleat. Okay, so once you are done making the pleat, you need another band because it's a very necessary material here. So you pick it up and use it to divide this splitted part into 2 equal parts, the way it is being displayed. After you divided it into equal parts, you're going to pick up the down edge like this, place it on the previous pleat you made, and grab office pin to pin that place together with the previous pleat. So once you are done there, you're going to go to the other side and repeat the same process. Grab the down edge, pin it to the previous pleat you made earlier like this. So once that is being achieved, we are going to go to the front, to the upper part, and bend any of the side down, either the right or the left, whichever you want. Bend it down and join it together with one that is standing. Join it like that and use your hand to make rough shape at the middle. Now you grab this together again to be double sure it is well secured. So after this process, you are going to use your hand to adjust all the adjustables. Look at it, where do you need to touch and arrange. Then I added my bow to cover the elastic band, and this is the final look at the back. At the front, this is what we have. Thanks for watching.